High-speed, fully automated popcorn packaging line. The servo-driven unloading machine places neatly arranged empty cans one by one, smoothly and accurately, onto the conveyor belt, providing a stable can supply for high-speed production. A rotary feeding machine that receives containers already filled with popcorn. By using a rotating multi-station system for temporary storage and organization, the process smoothly transitions to the sealing process. The double-head roll film sealing machine operates simultaneously with two sealing heads to heat-seal food-grade aluminum foil film at the can opening, forming a high-barrier sealing layer that effectively prevents